Hello there friends! Welcome back to Bulabing Travels. For new viewers, thank you for dropping by. So as promised from my last upload, this is now the unboxing episode of our newly purchased DJI Pocket 2. So keep on watching guys! By the way guys, DJI Pocket 2 was released worldwide last November 1, 2020. So here we go guys, we will not take a technical review of this unboxing. I'll just show you what inside of the creator combo of the DJI Pocket 2. So DJI Pocket 2 is a second generation all-in-one camera with a built-in 3-axis stabilizer. It's a follow-up model of Osmo Pocket. So are you ready guys? Let's do the unboxing. So guys, if you want to know the starting price of DJI Pocket 2, the price starts at $349 for the basic selection or the basic kit and $499 for the combo set. So what we have now is the combo set that comes with an extra lens, tripod, external microphone, and feature pack handle. So here it is guys, the combo set, DJI Pocket 2, the creation combo, that's the combo set name. So let's open the box and check what's inside of it. So slowly but surely, let's open the first item. So just checking on the cover. So let's open first this box, what's inside of this small box. So the first item, what would this be? Let's open the plastic. So it's something fluffy inside. Okay. So the first item is windscreen. This will be attached to the microphone transmitter that is also included in the combo set. So the next item from the set is wide angle lens. This is a new accessories of the DJI Pocket 2. And the next one is USB Type-C smartphone adapter. So the next item is mini control stick, very mini obviously. And the next one is Lightning iOS smartphone adapter. And then we have the salt. Next is USB Type-A to Type-C speaker charging cable, and also wrist strap. So that's all for this box. So next we'll proceed to the main item, but let me check first here the manuals. Okay, let's read on this later. Stickers, I like this. I'll put this on the car. Other, maybe this is the manual. Okay, let's just put it back and set this aside. Okay, so here, let's open this one. So set aside muna si DJI Pocket 2. Let's check set of this creator combo. So we have 4 items on that black styro. So that would be the cover, the mini tripod, the wireless microphone transmitter, and the do-it-all handle. Okay, so excited to open this one. The main thing of the creator combo, it's the upgrade over its predecessor. The DJI Pocket 2 creator combo adds a 1/1.7 64MP CMOS sensor, up to 8 times zoom and 93 angle of view, and 4 directional stereo microphones with DJI Matrix stereo audio zoom. Utilizing its lightweight, ultra-compact 3-axis gimbal stabilizer and 4K camera combination. New software enhancements have also been added, including the updated Active Track 3.0, built-in glamour effects, and AI editor, hybrid AF 2.0, and motion lapse without the need for the microphone app. It's got everything you need for a high-resolution mobile production to create family videos, add footage to your photo shoots, or vlog your latest streaming creation with smooth motion video. So that's all, folks. I need to learn more of this product, especially how to use it. So watch out for my next video for the tryouts. And I also forgot to buy micro SD, so I cannot make a sample video or make a sample photo shoot. And I also need to set this up to my cell phone. Here guys, I have a sample of time lapse and also a regular video recording, since I was able to bought a micro SD this afternoon. So I took a sample right after I bought it from the store. And this has been Bulabing Travels, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bulabing Travels, thank you.